nothing's broken. Obviously, I'm not gonna plug it in and use it. Oh, look, oh my gosh. I think this is parts to it. And I believe there's like filters. Yeah, look, okay. We've got some filters. And then it shows you how to assemble it. And I hope this is, I don't know if it's upside down or right side up. But anyway, here it is in all of its glory. Gotta be uber careful. That's one of the dust collector systems, the Sunflower. So don't ask me how the science behind this works. I do not know. But from what I understand now, it is supposed to suck out particles that, you know, are in the air that you can't see. Okay, nail techs, you know what I'm talking about? You guys who do e-filing like I do, you know how you dust your table down and everything's clean and you leave for the night and then you come back in the next day and there's like this thin layer of dust on your shelves and on your nail table and you're like, what the heck, I just cleaned. Well, those are dust particles that you can't really see floating through the air that stay airborne for like 8 hours, and when you take off your mask, you're breathing it in. All of that dust, that little microparticles that you can't see are breathing into your lungs. So anyway, from what I understand, this fabulous dust collector helps remove all that. So anyway, thanks, Jeff. I appreciate you sending this. It was the most awesome, most generous thing, because this is many hundreds of dollars. One lucky nail tech at the Nail Tech Event of the Smokies is gonna win it in July 2024. Go to nailtechevent.com. Tickets go on sale January 1st. Peace out, nail techs.